Understanding Hand-Assembled, an English language guide. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore the meaning of a fascinating phrase in the English language: hand-assembled. This term is not just a combination of words. It carries a unique significance, especially in the world of manufacturing and craftsmanship. So, let's dive in and unravel the layers of this interesting phrase. Hand-assembled refers to a process where components or parts of a product are put together manually by a person, rather than by machines or automated processes. The term emphasizes the personal touch and care that goes into the construction of the product. It often suggests a higher quality due to the attention to detail that manual assembly can provide. In various contexts, hand-assembled can imply different things. 1. Craftsmanship and artistry. In arts and crafts, it indicates a personal, artistic touch. 2. Quality and precision. In technology or manufacturing, it suggests precision and attention to detail. 3. Exclusivity and value. Often, hand-assembled products are seen as more exclusive and valuable. Watches. Luxury watches are often hand-assembled, emphasizing precision and craftsmanship. Furniture. Hand-assembled furniture is praised for its durability and unique design. Electronics. Some high-end electronics boast hand-assembly to highlight quality and care. While hand-assembled generally implies quality, it's important to understand that it doesn't automatically mean a product is superior. It's a term that adds context to the making of a product and helps consumers understand the process and effort involved in its creation. I hope this video has been enlightening in understanding what hand-assembled means and how it's used in different contexts. Remember, language is not just about words, but the stories and ideas they convey. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.